Hey, Doc Martinez here, and I did do a review on this Travelers, and now we gotta try to make some cocktails out of it. Are you ready? I know I am. Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. I'm Doc Martinez, and yes, this is the new Travelers Foolproof blended whiskey that is 60.5% alcohol by volume. A little bit better than the last one, but not the greatest. But I think it'll make a fine cocktail. I think it's gonna make better cocktails than that first one. So this first one I'm gonna do, I'm gonna call it Blues Traveler. Let's just jump into this one. Let's get this one made. Yep, so this one is gonna be made in a mixing glass. And we're gonna start off with the simple syrup. Now this one I am using just a regular simple syrup. Not too much of this. We're gonna do like a 1/4 ounce because we're gonna be using some blue curacao to make this blue as well. So just a small bit of this to add a little bit more sweetness. Now, if you like it sweet, definitely add more of it. But like me, I'm kind of wanting the whiskey to stand out more, even though it's not the best whiskey. This is a big improvement. And I think if we let this stand out a little bit, it might actually hold up in this cocktail. Next, we're gonna do 1 dash of Angostura bitter. And this one's actually just a kind of a small dash. Usually I want those big dashes, but I want that blue to stand out. So I really don't want to make it too dark. Now we're gonna add some orange bitters, And there's a reason for that. We're gonna do 2 good dashes of orange bitters. All right, next we're gonna be adding the blue curacao. Now this one, I'm gonna do a 1/2 ounce because I really do want this blue. Now this doesn't make it too sweet, but I do want that blue to come through on this one. Thus the name Blues Traveler. All right, we got the sugar, we got the bitters. Time to add the whiskey, the spirit. We're gonna do a 2 full ounces of this, of course. Let's stir this up. Make sure to fill the glass, let it chill. You want it to get nice and cool, but not overly chilled because you're gonna be adding this to a glass with a large ice, and it's gonna continue to chill in there. I already have a rocks glass with a nice big clear ice in it. Just need to dump out that water. We're gonna strain this in here. And yes, that looks a little bit more like aqua to green than it does blue. But that's what happens when you add bitters, right? I don't have any clear bitters to keep that nice and blue. All right. With this one, we're gonna use an orange peel. Get a nice slice of an orange peel, not too deep on that there. And we're gonna just over the top, squeeze those oils. And my friend Noam taught me, put it on the outside of the glass so that when you're touching it, you still smell those oils as well. And you can just put that right there in the glass. So there you go, my Blues Travelers. All right, the fun part. Let's go in for that taste. So that citrus comes across on the nose. You do smell those oils up top. It smells pretty good. Cheers. Ooh, actually this works out pretty well. Nice. This is a good old fashioned. This is a good, like nice classic old fashioned with a little twist on it, right? Yes, you taste the whiskey, a little bit of a bitters, but you got that nice orange flavor at the end that actually just holds onto the tongue. That's actually pretty nice. I'm going for another sip. I do like that. Very well balanced, not too sweet, not too bitter. Taste the whiskey and a nice orange citrus flavor that just hangs in the mouth with a little bit of a hug. Nice, very well, very nice drink. This is probably my best version of it. Any old fashioned I've actually made with a Travelers. This is my first time making it with the Foolproof, but man, that proof made a difference. That proof makes a lot of difference. Yeah, that's something I could drink easily. Mine is the blue color. That's just for the Blues Traveler part of it. But overall, a very well balanced old fashioned, something I drink on a daily. Now, I bet you thought we were done. Nope. We're making a second one, and we're calling this one Runaround Traveler. Once again, making in a mixing glass. We're going to be using 1/2 ounce of blue curacao. Making sure that we get that blue in there. Once again, 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Add a little bit of sweetness to this. The curacao doesn't add a lot of sweetness. Orange bitters. I'm changing it to this one. 1, 2. As you can see, clearer, not as dark as the last one. So it should help maintain some of that blue. But of course, once you start adding the Traveler, it is not a clear liquid, so it's going to change the color a little bit. Yep, another full 2 ounces with a little 1/2 ounce more. So 2.5 ounces of this. And we're going to stir this up. Now I know you're wondering, Seems very similar to the last one, right? Very similar. I'll show you the difference on this one. Once again, stirring until it gets a little chilled. You don't want it over chilled, as we're putting it into that glass with a large ice in it as well. Yep, glass with a nice clear ice in it. We're gonna strain this one on top in here. Oops, spilled a little bit there. Move that over to the side. The cool thing about this one is we're adding a foam. Yeah, we're adding a foam. I've been working on my foams lately. Haven't gotten one to perfect the way I like it. I'm hoping this one works out. I tested it earlier and it was nice. So let's see if it still stays that way. So this is an orange foam we're using. Yep, there you go. Now I was rushing to take pictures of this before it all kind of went together, kind of blended together, that I forgot to add the orange peel over the top. Not the best slice, but it will work. Just adding that little bit of oils to the top of this as well. Then wiping the edge of that glass and just twisting a little bit and putting here right on the side here. And there you have it, my runaround traveler. All right, time to taste this one. Let's put that to the side and let's lick this orange off the side here. Ooh, that is actually very nice. Very orange up front. Can't wait to dive into this one. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that definitely adds an extra layer to this. That foam, orange foam, kind of reminds me of like Orange Julius. You remember Orange Julius? I haven't had one of those in forever, but that orange taste you get with that just adds on. And then the whiskey, that 2.5 ounces of whiskey really adds into it. Wow. Lots of whiskey, lots of orange. So you get that, you're going through some sweetness, that whiskey, some bitterness, then more whiskey, and then orange at the end. Lots going on here with this one. I like this one. I like that I got my foam to stay a little bit longer instead of just kind of dissipate. So still working on that, but much added improvement. All right, my friends, thank you for joining me on another journey down my whiskey rabbit hole. To our next journey, my friends, cheers.